Before leaving, the mongooses perform a strange handstand while scent marking their territory. By raising their bodies high, they may leave their scent at a greater height, making intruders believe a much larger animal lives here. Scorpions, venomous spiders, and large insects are all valuable meals. Whenever the mongooses begin digging, the hornbill takes advantage of the disturbance. Beetles, lizards, and insects, flushed from cover, are quickly snatched up by its long bill. At first, this may look like nothing more than opportunistic stealing, but it is actually a highly effective feeding strategy. The hornbill uses the mongooses as a moving hunting team, turning their feeding grounds into its own mobile dining table.